Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? Happy Cast Iron Wednesday. If you can hear a fan in the background, like I had a water leak from upstairs come down my walls behind my washer dryer. So crew came in, tore out the plasterboard, and I got fans going. What's that machine called? I think it's a dehumidifier. So there was actually, it was a lot louder, but I turned 2 of the fans off just so I could shoot this video, and then I'll turn it back on when I'm done filming. So I'm going to be making broccoli beef, so I'm going to get the beef prepped, started marinating, and then we'll get to cooking. Alright, so we got some flank steak here. I like to try to remove some of this extra fat. So let me work on that for a minute. Alright, so what I want to do, I'm going to cut these like this. Then I want to cut these nice and flat. Alrighty, so we're gonna add a little bit of soy sauce. Got some mirror in here. A little bit of that. A little bit more. Got cornstarch and also baking soda, which is what I saw in the video. It also asks for white. I'm going to put a little salt in here. And it actually called for white pepper, but couldn't find any at the Winco, so. Now I'm going to be missing some ingredients in this because either I couldn't find them or I didn't want to buy a whole bottle of like dark soy sauce just for one meal. I mean, I guess I could have made this a couple of times because I actually do really like broccoli beef, but so I'll let that marinate for a bit while I clean up my kitchen. I gotta do that before I can get Alright, so I got my rice going. Well, I got my rice started. So I figured I would go ahead and I forgot to turn the fan off. The thing I was saying is I had to go turn off 2 of the fans because it was extremely noisy. I got a tablespoon of cornstarch and then 5 tablespoons of water. Okay. And then go with a little bit more soy sauce. And then a little bit more of that mirin. Can't forget the king of flavor, MSG. A little bit of that in there. Alright, so the recipe doesn't call for mushrooms, but I sure like them, so I'm going to add them. Which actually brings up a good point while I'm thinking about it. It's like if you have a recipe and you want to make changes, just make changes. You don't actually have to follow the recipe as closely as it says. You can make adjustments. Alright, mushrooms are prepped. I'm gonna prep my carrots. I'm gonna go ahead and use the microplane on my ginger. Not even falling into the container. These are the little containers you can get on Amazon. Just put in food safe containers. I tried finding them online, or in stores, but after going to like 5 stores, I just never found any. Got my, should have everything prepped and ready. Let me get my meat cooking. I had to pull it off the burner for a minute so I could go get my tripod and whatnot. Alright, now I normally try to pattern everything out, but I just kind of dump it in the bowl. Now all I want to do is I want to brown this meat. Cook it partially because I'm going to continue cooking it. I'm going to pull it out and cook my mushrooms and carrot. All right. I'll go ahead and call that good because I don't mind if my meat's a little rare. So give my I'm only using just a clear oil. It's just vegetable oil. I love these containers for this. Alright. Doing this is also going to allow me to scrape up a lot of the stuff at the bottom of the pan too. So the mushrooms really absorbed a lot of liquid. So I like these little squirt bottles for oil. Oh, I guess I'll put a little salt on it. Go ahead and put in the garlic and ginger. You don't want to put the garlic and ginger in first because garlic and ginger can burn. So that's not good for anybody. It's a little dry in the bottom of the pan, so but I got a fix for that. I got another one of these little squirt bottles. Oh, I don't have any water in it. I had one with a little bit of water in it. That's fine. There we go. Just add a little liquid. Man, it smells really good in here. Go ahead and throw the broccoli in. Go ahead and throw in the sauce. We'll put the meat back in. Go ahead and reduce the heat. Tell you what, it looks and smells amazing. Dinner is served. I got my favorite little bowl here. Got this at an Asian market. Make a big mess. I did forget something. I'm looking right at it too. I'll just put it on top. Gotta put a little sesame oil on. I'll just drizzle a little bit on top. That's what it's not a cooking oil. You don't cook with sesame oil. It's more for topping and adding a little extra flavor. All right. Taste. So here we go. Broccoli beef. Broccoli. Flank steak, mushroom, fresh garlic, fresh ginger, carrots, and rice. Oh man. Oh, the sauce is really nice. Really nice. Got the broccoli. Oh, nailed the carrots. They still got a little bit of crunch to them, which I like. They're not just, cooked to death. All right, so I thought I would stop chewing so I can close out this video. I do appreciate you watching. This month's challenge was Asian, so I made some broccoli beef. If you have any questions about the recipe or what I did, feel free to ask. This is good. The sauce is really banging too. So anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to check the playlist for Cast Iron Wednesday. Shovel Hayes videos are in there as well. He's the one who kind of keeps the Cast Iron Wednesday going. Last week's video will probably be up here on the screen. And we'll catch you in the next one. Have a good one.